Today I am reviewing Beelink SER5 MAX Mini PC. If at any time you'd like to explore this product for yourself and grab it at a great price, be sure to check the links below the video. If you're looking for a compact computer that doesn't compromise on performance, the Beelink SER5 MAX Mini PC is a powerhouse that deserves serious attention. This device combines portability, performance, and versatility, making it ideal for business professionals, students, creators, and even casual gamers. At its core, the SER5 MAX is powered by the AMD Ryzen 7 6800H processor, built on the efficient 6nm architecture. With 8 cores and 16 threads, this CPU delivers serious multitasking capability. The base clock speed starts at 2.7 GHz, but it can turbo boost up to an impressive 4.7 GHz, ensuring smooth performance whether you're handling demanding office workloads, creative projects, or high-performance multitasking. This level of power means you can easily run heavy applications like Photoshop, video editing software, coding environments, and even virtual machines without slowdowns. To complement the processor, Beelink has equipped this mini PC with a massive 32 GB of LPDDR5 RAM, running at a blazing speed of 6,300 MHz. That's future-proof memory performance, perfect for power users who need reliability and speed. On top of that, the 1TB NVMe PCIe 4.0 SSD ensures lightning-fast boot times, quick app loading, and plenty of storage space for games, work files, and media. With storage speeds that are several times faster than traditional SATA SSDs, you'll notice a significant improvement in responsiveness and efficiency. Graphics are handled by the integrated AMD Radeon 680M GPU, with 12 cores running at 2,200 MHz. While this isn't a dedicated gaming graphics card, it's strong enough to handle light to moderate gaming at 1080p, some esports titles at high frame rates, and even 4K video playback without stutter. Creators will also appreciate that it can handle 4K at 60Hz triple display output, which makes it ideal for a professional multi-monitor workstation setup. You can connect up to 3 screens at once using the HDMI, DisplayPort, and USB-C outputs, making multitasking seamless. Whether you're editing videos, coding with multiple windows open, or working with spreadsheets, the SER5 MAX adapts easily. Connectivity is another strong point. The Beelink SER5 MAX includes Wi-Fi 6 and Bluetooth 5.2, which means faster and more stable wireless connections. Wired users will also benefit from the Gigabit Ethernet port, ensuring reliable and high-speed file transfers. As for ports, you get a balanced mix of USB 3.2, USB 2.0, HDMI, DisplayPort, USB-C, audio jack, and DC power input. This range of connectivity options allows you to hook up peripherals, external drives, displays, and more without limitations. Design-wise, the SER5 MAX follows Beelink's tradition of sleek, compact builds. Its small footprint allows it to fit easily on any desk or entertainment center. It's quiet thanks to its smart cooling system, and it comes visa-mountable if you want to hide it behind a monitor for a clean workstation. Another plus point is Beelink's commitment to support and reliability. The SER5 MAX comes with lifetime technical support, a 1-year free warranty, and 24/7 after-sales service. The brand has also obtained certifications like FCC, RoHS, and CE, which add peace of mind for long-term use. In terms of real-world use, this mini PC is extremely versatile. For professionals, it's a reliable machine for office tasks, presentations, online meetings, and productivity software. For students, it's a compact yet powerful study companion for research, assignments, and online learning. For creators, it handles content editing, 4K video playback, and multitasking with ease. And for gamers, it offers enough performance to run popular titles like Fortnite, Valorant, and League of Legends smoothly, while also serving as a great HDPC for streaming 4K content on platforms like Netflix or YouTube. To sum it up, the Beelink SER5 MAX Mini PC with AMD Ryzen 7 6800H, 32 GB LPDDR5 RAM, and 1TB NVMe SSD is a well-rounded, high-performance mini computer that delivers more power than its size suggests. It's fast, efficient, and versatile, designed to handle work, entertainment, and light gaming with ease. If you're looking for a future-proof, space-saving PC that combines excellent specs with reliable performance, the Beelink SER5 MAX is an outstanding choice.